Kalimera, Kalispera, welcome everybody. I hope you're having a good time at home. We're having an even better time here at Marineterrein Museum, where we're doing these RISE workshops
with all the four technical universities of the Netherlands, and we are building some rockets with the little kids, making kids excited about science.
Een echte knaller.
Kids are having a lot of fun. I think they're really cute. We did have some technical difficulties in the beginning that made me doubt this whole thing. Now it's fine, and I think everyone is having a lot of fun.
Hello. You can use this paper, you can draw on it.
Dan moet je er twee aan elkaar vast.
Een beetje kijk.
Ze zijn lekker bezig.
Oh.
I think the kids are really enjoying all the baking soda rockets. They're going really high and they're coming up with nice designs. And the parents are also really invested.
That's a very nice bucket.
Adding the baking soda. We add the cork. 100 ml water. And then with the baking soda in the balloon, we create pressure. And this pressure is important for your rocket to go up. Who is next? En dan je oor? Ja, even omdraaien. Ja, heel mooi.